What is going on, guys? I hope you're having an amazing day. I do want to say, obviously, the Evo giveaway is over. Winner has been chosen. Congrats to Austin. You're going to be taking home this beautiful beast. This thing is yours. Austin from Virginia, you have an amazing car. I called him last night. It was really cool. Got to talk to him. Going to hang out with him a little bit, talk to him about the car. He's stoked. Obviously, it's got to be, I've never won anything like that, so it's got to be absolutely insane to win a competition like this. We'll keep on doing them. Good luck next time to everybody else. Now today's gonna be an amazing video. Before we get going, I do wanna say big thanks to the sponsor of this video, Cove. Cove has made amazing products that I have shown you guys on the channel before. These are the Cove Audio Solitude noise canceling headphones. They have a powered noise canceling technology that's actually super impressive. I'm gonna press play. My phone is actually over there. These can do up to 30 feet away from your phone. Here you go, ready? That wasn't me. I didn't do that. These have up to 12 hours of listening and phone calls, whatever you want to do with them, and up to 200 hours of standby at full charge battery. These are really good for the gym. Victoria uses them every night while I'm playing video games to watch like movies on her computer. She literally can't hear me scream at Call of Duty. It's a really great situation. I can save you almost 70% on these, making them one of the most affordable for what you're getting on the market. Go to the link I have for you in the description and enjoy the video. Last video, I showed you guys that I got a $650 turbo kit off of Amazon. I'm really excited to try and test it out on the GE. Installing a turbo kit on an NA car is actually really simple. I used to be kind of scared of it, and most people are scared of it because you have to make your own oil drain. It's pretty simple. I've been really excited to do this for a couple weeks now, but unfortunately, sickness took over my body, and it's been a very rough week and a half or so, but we're back. I've heard a lot of good things and fun things about boosting the stock GE, so I'm thinking it's gonna be a good time. Also, pause. I know this is nothing to joke about right now. I think I might have to chill on buying the Chinese parts for a little bit. I'm not trying to bring the coronavirus here, dude. I was literally kind of scared when I was opening up the package. I was like, oh crap. And then I got sick. I was like, but we're good. Now the battery's DC'd, I'm gonna go ahead and just start moving along, taking out the ugly air box, taking off this like coronavirus looking ass header. I don't know what's wrong with this thing, but basically all I'm gonna have to do really is take this off, take the header off, and then hope and pray I have space for this gigantic ass turbo over here. Cause this thing is like big. I always laugh because there's so much room around this area after you take this stupid intake off these cars. The header actually came off really easily. Now I need to disconnect it from like the bottom of the car, so I'm gonna get under and actually get the header off. I'm really concerned though, like how's it gonna fit with this massive bunghole right here, dude? This thing looks like it's gonna be a B word to get out, dog. God, dude. Actually, you know what? It might be paint, dude. Yo, I think this dude freaking painted over the rust. Look at the block is white. The headers is white. Ah, so I've been breathing in rusty paint chips. Bring it on. That makes a little more sense because I've never seen anything in nature do this. But this is off. Oh, never mind. That's coolant. I lied. So where's the oil feed? I thought this motor was a little more similar to the 1Js. The 1Js have oil feeds right there. That's coolant. So what we're gonna do, I believe there's an oil pressure switch or sensor over here on this side of the block, right by the oil filter. All right, so this is kind of what I anticipated. It fits, but it's like touching the distributor. For one, like that's not really great fitment, and two, I really don't think this is the turbo they were supposed to send me. I think it's supposed to be smaller. I'm really unsure of how to clock this thing. I might angle the compressor housing like straight down. I really don't know what to do about that though. I mean, that's definitely an issue. Like, that's problematic. It's touching right there. That's not supposed to be happening. So again, I did say I was getting a turbo made for the GTE. It's a little bit smaller. It's a 6262, so we might end up just using that. This might work in the meantime. Who knows? The oil feed and drain can definitely be rotated probably about 45 degrees to the right. So I want the oil drain to be coming out about where my finger is. My thumb is moving around right there to go ahead and clear it around that exhaust manifold. So I did a little bit of research and I figured out in order to do the NAT conversion on the GE, you have to have either a tapped union bolt or a factory IS300 union bolt. The union bolt is the big ass bolt down there. It's like an M18, very big bolt. Now, here's what's awesome. Guess what I have sitting in my garage right now? A freaking 2JZ GTE union bolt that has it tapped. So an IS300 actually has this already tapped for an oil pressure switch. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect the switch. I'm actually gonna take the sensor off and I'm going to use this bolt. And then whenever this motor's ready to go back in, I will be using this bolt back into this motor. But I'm gonna be using this bolt right here because it's tapped on the very top as the high pressure oil feed. Well, thanks to air compressor technology, we cracked it loose, and it's gonna take a little while to get out of there. Ooh, can I do it with my fingers? Oh, I can do it with my fingers. Yep, it's going, it's going. We leaking hella oil now. Oh yeah, we got oil everywhere. Oh yeah. So here it is. This is the bolt. IS300s come with a tap right there. You can tap this thing yourself. It actually doesn't take too long, but I have one literally already tapped right here, so there's really no reason to do that. So now I'm gonna have to try and find this thing's freaking home again. Ooh, I got it. Oh shoot, I got it. All right, now that I got it in, what you do with these, you never put Teflon tape on these right here. If it's not flared or whatever it's called, like on this, you always put Teflon tape on this. So gotta take it off, gotta put Teflon on this little guy, on this little plug. That would be for a sensor if the car actually had one. We don't have one. This one's going to be to the oil line, and this one's gonna go straight into the block. Okay, and that's like super tight, bro. That should never move, so that should be good. Sometimes all it takes is just reminding the car who's daddy. Then once they find out who's daddy, they just obey. So as I showed in the unboxing, they gave me about every piece I could ever need in the entire world. I found out which ones are actually the feed and the drain, so figure those out. But like, I mean, this is like $50 worth of crap at Ace Hardware. Do they just give me like everything I might possibly need? Which is kind of nice. I can definitely use stuff like this in the future because I like to build Hondas, and Hondas need lots of things. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these. I need these. Got like banjo bolts. I got a bunch of freaking stuff, dude. Like, it's crazy. I'm really still just thinking this is not like this is definitely like not the right size of turbo. It's a 96 AR, bro. Like, this thing is huge. Well, actually, I don't even know if a 3-inch inlet would work. Did you have to like get rid of the, I don't know. Let's FaceTime Ethan. See what he thinks. Ethan, I want to show you my love and be happy with me. Wait, what? Dang it, dude. So I'll just show you guys. You guys can be excited with me. Got that oil feed lined up and going around town. Up to the top. I still gotta tighten it up. I got the downpipe on. It doesn't, like, the V-band's not perfect. I'm hoping it doesn't like create an exhaust leak or anything. This freaking inlet is just so big, bro. It's 4-inch. Like, I'm not gonna be able to put an intake, and I'm not even be able to put like mesh or anything on it, dude, because it's like, I can't really do anything with that. Even if this was a 3-inch inlet, like, it would still hit all this. Like, there's no way. Like, this was supposed to be the boom off of that. Like, am I just supposed to bypass my distributor? No. It's like a freaking Bluetooth intake. Am I supposed to, like, bypass this? It's supposed to be wireless or some crap? I don't know, dude. Something's going on there. One thing I need to still do is the wastegate. alien ship looking ass. I don't even, like, what the hell is this thing, man? We're gonna install a little Russian spaceship looking thing, and then the whole kit that I purchased will be finished. Well, it's a little whack. It fits on there. This definitely is like, it doesn't fit in any way, shape, or form. So might have to have Kevin make me something fancy for that. But yeah, like it's supposed to just like kind of like go out like here, I think, and it's not, no matter what way you put it in there, it just doesn't, like, it almost lines up right there. If I were to cut the body, literally, like, it could go out right there, but it's not doing that. We'll figure that out another time. I got the wastegate on at least. That's, I would say, like, quasi installed. Obviously, this downpipe is not for mating up with the super exhaust. Maybe there used to be like a little pipe right here or something that was like a little J-pipe type deal. I might have to have Kev either extend this for me and go to that, or just like mate something in between that. I don't know if I want to have him make me a full straight pipe, because I do really want to get like a Tome or something for this car. But that is pretty good. We've officially installed like all of the kit that I can basically do here without going to a fabrication shop. Not really sure what to expect out of this kit. I'm not sure if it was made for cars with the distributor, and that's the biggest issue, but I think that's bypassable. I think we can figure that out. I don't know. I'm not the fab guy. All right, real quick, gotta check the leaks. So it do be smelling like really smelly fuel. I must have unplugged something. Okay, just messed with it. It totally makes sense now. I messed with a distributor wire, and that's why it's not firing. So we're gonna see. I knew it had to have been something. I do wanna see just if it makes oil pressure, has any leaks. Should work. Don't see any leaks there. Had a lot of oil, so good. I don't see any leaks over here. Dude, not having leaks would be amazing. That's just gonna be that's just a little teaser. Well guys, 4 hours ago this car was naturally aspirated. Now it has a big turbo on it. I'm gonna talk to Kevin and get this figured out, and I'm excited, dude. I'm really stoked just to see what this car can do. I know the GE's bottom end is really good, and I mean, it's not the same thing, but it's the same thing. They're very capable even still, so it'll be fun. I just wanted to do something interesting to see what the best bang for my buck could be while we're waiting on making the best 2JZ in the world. Not in the world, but like, a cool one. For my daily advice to you guys today, something I recently said on Twitter, or I think I said on Instagram, doesn't matter. Guys, if you believe you can, you can. There are a lot of people in this world that will tell you you can't, you won't be able to, you won't do it, it's impossible, whatever. And I just want to be your encouragement today. I want to be your encouragement to say that whatever progress you are making or have made, I am proud of you. Every little bit of progress that you make today or tomorrow, whatever it is, whether you're trying to overcome an addiction or just trying to make progress with your life, you're trying to get out of your parents' house, you're trying to get, a good job, you're trying to get a raise, you're trying to do whatever, you're trying to get that car or the girl or the guy, whatever it is, like, I want you guys to know that I'm proud of you guys, and I want you guys to know and understand that if you believe you can, you can. In your heart, you gotta know, like, you know what? There's merit to saying, I am capable of this. I am capable of doing this. The reason I have 8 cars right now is not because I wondered if it was ever possible. It's because I believed it could be possible. And the reason why Victoria and I's marriage is still going strong is because I believed it to be possible. I knew it was gonna happen. Before we even got married, I knew it was gonna be a great relationship, and I was dedicated to it. I dedicated myself to it because I knew I could. And so I just want you guys to know that if you believe you can, then you can. That's my daily advice for you guys today. Peace out. Very excited for this. Got a little bit of run in, but let's drive it first. Got it started in a day though, bro. We making big moves out here. Deuce. Ooh, I got 2 videos for you guys. Ooh, 2 videos. You gotta watch those 2 videos, or watch this one again. Actually, this was a pretty sick video. This is a pretty sick video, bro. Shit, dude. Heck 'em.